As the night falls on Winterfell, the army of the dead breaches the walls. The defenders fall one by one, their valiant efforts crumbling under the wrath of the undead. Survivors scatter, their breaths fogging in the cold air. The Stark banner falls as the last cries of battle fade into the dark, foreboding silence of defeat. With Winterfell behind, the unstoppable undead host moves southward. The ground freezes beneath their feet, a chilling herald of the doom they bring to all of Westeros. The once lush riverlands succumb next. The rivers stilled. Castles fall like dominoes, their fires lighting the night, only to be extinguished by the relentless advance. Through the fertile reach, despair spreads faster than the army itself. Highgarden's mighty gates stand no chance. The vines wither, and the land itself seems to mourn. Finally, the remnants of humanity brace for a final stand in King's Landing. The capital's towering walls, once thought impregnable, now tremble before the spectral horde. The Iron Throne falls into the icy grip of the Night King as the dead swarm through the streets. Westeros is silent, its pulse stilled under an eternal winter.